Hello friends, welcome to my channel that is Versatile Love. Today I am here to show you another recipe that is Parse Macher Jhal. So you have seen that I have taken 4 pieces of Parse Mach and in mustard oil I have already fried it off. And for the gravy is required some poppy seeds, some mustard seeds and also some curd, and together I will blend it on. Okay, so you can see I have taken just 1.5 tablespoon of curd. So friends, in the remaining oil I will make this gravy. So here I have taken just 1 pieces of chili, green chili, and I have given and black cumin seed for foron. Little pinch of black cumin seeds. After that I will give little amount of onion. Just only a small onion. Very small, a little bit. I have given just only this amount of onion is required. Wait till the onions turns brown. We have to fry it well. Here you can see my onions are brown. So now I have given the total mixture of curd. I have given the total mixture of curd. The total mixture of curd and poppy seed paste and mustard seeds paste. Okay, so we are all together grind it well and give it to my fried onion. So now the raw smell comes from poppy paste, so we need to fry it well. I don't like the raw smell comes from poppy seeds paste. So here I think it's gone. Now I am adding little amount of water, and after that I am adding very little pinch of half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And mix it well. Yes. Now I am giving little amount of salt according to the taste. Yes. More than enough. So here I am adding the water. Cold water I have given. If you want to add warm water, you can. Now I am adding my fried parsley fishes. not covered it because there is no need to be covered. Anything not there is nothing to be boiled. So here I have to wait for 5 minutes. So friend, it has done. So if you wants to add some coriander leaves, please do. Here I am giving, this is the raw mustard oil here, little drop of, then switch off the gas and cover it with the lid like this. Okay, so I have already done my পার্শে মাছের ঝোল. So please friends, if you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel as well, and also sharing my recipe. Keep loving me, keep spreading love. Till then, have a beautiful day, have a nice day. Bye bye, tata.